Hi Nandini, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. So can you tell me something about the mobile automation that you are doing?
Yes, sir. I was doing the mobile automation using APM tool
Hmm.
uh, for both Android and iOS automation. Uh, using Java, I used to do mobile automation testing.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you tell me more about the framework?
Yes, sir.
You can take your time to think, no worries.
Sir, actually,
Hmm.
I didn't use framework. Still, I'm preparing.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So let's
Still
start.
prepared. Not yet prepared, sir, for that.
Okay, okay, no worries. So now let me share my screen. Can you tell me how do you handle gestures like swipe, scroll, or long press in APM?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
For long press, we will use
Mm-hmm.
touch actions method. Touch actions. Uh, Sir, shall I write or how?
Yeah, if you're
How, sir?
comfortable writing the code, you can share your screen and you can write the
Yes.
code. You're right, touch action or mobile you are using. So can you write the code for that?
Yes.
Mm. You can click on share screen, green color button.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can write
Sharing.
the code in Notepad++ or in Eclipse, whichever you are comfortable with.
This is for drag and drop.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you were asking swipe, scroll,
Yeah, yeah. For swipe, scroll, and for long press,
long
what
press.
do you do? Yeah.
Okay. This one is also we used for swipes from left to right.
Okay.
Action dot long press object to 50 to 50 is the
So
screen name.
can you explain this code once?
The object is the element, sir,
Hmm.
from which element we need to move from source to target. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is the 250 is the screen
Coordinates.
length coordinates. Screen
Okay.
length. From where to where we have to
Hmm.
drag the element.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
What if I want to include weight in this? Because there are
Wait.
chances, yeah, because there are chances that that element might not be interactable or visible for some period of time, for some duration of time. So I might have to go for weight, right?
During swipe or wait,
Uh,
when sir?
Yeah.
During
So
scroll.
yeah, during this, during scroll, it's fine. We are scrolling,
Mhm.
so that's not an issue. But during
Mhm.
long press, if I want to go for weight,
Yes,
hmm?
there is a method called wait or something we
Mm-hmm.
need to put
Correct, correct. Yeah, you're right. What's that?
after long press we need to add some method called wait. Wait is the method. I forgot actually the method name.
Okay, let me tell you. See. Uh, this is the code. See, you can use JavaScript executor, right? First, we will see the code for the swipe and for the scroll action. So touch action is correct. You are correct. Touch action has been used,
Yes.
right? Now you can use JavaScript executor and there is a method of execute script. Okay. Now in that, to what direction you want to move? Is it left? Is it top? Is it width? Is it height? As per that, you'll be moving, right? So that is your swipe or scroll action. Okay. Then comes the long press, right? In that you can perform long press. You can use wait actions. So wait options is one
Wait.
of the, yeah, waits you can use, and how many duration of seconds you want to keep wait for. And then you'll release and then you'll perform,
Mm.
right? So you can tell that in your project you used the gestures to test the product carousel, scrolling and drag and drop actions in the cart page, right? So that's how you
Okay.
can use this particular thing. Okay, great. Uh, okay. How do you identify mobile elements in APM? What challenges have you faced?
Um, we identify the elements by using locators.
Hmm.
You, those are ID,
Hmm.
accessibility ID, resource ID,
Hmm.
uh, class name, and experts.
Correct, correct. What kind of challenges you have faced?
Uh, like when there is no unique attribute for the element,
Hmm.
so then we need to find a we need to check whether any parent or sibling element has unique attribute.
Hmm.
Initially, I don't know about that. So I struggled so much. After struggling,
Hmm.
finally I came to know, oh, there is a parent-child relation expathway
Correct.
has been there. So those
Hmm.
type of challenges I faced initially when I
Hmm.
started automation testing. Um, After that, actually I faced while doing automations for simulators with
Hmm.
two simulators
Hmm.
in our project, we have to check for the two users. So
Hmm.
we need to run the tests on both simulators. Once we send a message in the
Hmm.
one user, and we need to check in the another simulator data flow of the uh, scenarios we need to check. So in that situation, while running, when test cases are keep on running, sometimes the simulators get uh, it it switch off, like that will get closed. I don't know why that issue was
What
came.
got closed? Sorry, can you please come again?
Simulators or emulators.
Okay, okay. Sometimes it get crashed, right?
Yes, crashed.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but for
Uh,
locators, when you are asked such kind of question, you can tell that you were facing the challenge with the dynamic IDs, right?
yes, sir.
So when you are having some of the elements and the IDs are generated newly after every release, let's say you got a release on
Mm.
Monday, you got one ID. On Tuesday, when you got another build, another release, again a new ID has been generated for the same element. So your ID becomes dynamic, right? So that's one of the
Yes.
challenge. Now, how do you handle it? So you can create the XPath using contains or using start with functions, right?
Mm.
Those kind of things you can tell. You can also tell that you are using page object model design pattern for centralizing the locators.
So one more doubt I have for
Yeah,
that contains and
yeah.
starts
Starts
with.
with
Even though elements are changing,
hmm.
uh, there is a static portion of the
Static
element we
portion.
need to.
Yeah,
Uh,
that you can take care because,
uh,
for example, let's say
what if
RD
those
automation.
static element is
Yeah. For example, RD automation 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. In the next build, you are getting RD automation 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 7, 8, 9, 10. But RD automation remains constant, something like that. So you will have to come up with the workaround with a solution for that. Let's say if this also does not work, so you can also tell that you also collaborate with the dev team to add the accessibility ID for stable identification. Right? That's also
Okay.
fine. You can tell that you connected with the development team, you collaborated with them, you coordinated with them. All those things you can tell, right? There is no issue with that. It's nothing
Okay.
wrong in asking the help from the development team,
Okay.
right? Okay. Now, how do you handle the different screen size and the resolutions in the mobile automation?
Like what's it? Can you
So
explain
let's say,
some
yeah,
scenarios?
let's say there is the size of the screen gets it becomes different, right? So how would you run the automation on that particular device?
Sorry, so, I didn't
Mhm.
get.
Okay, so the question is, let's say you are automating different scripts, right? Now you want to run the scripts on different devices. Now every
Mm,
device will have its own screen size and its own resolution, right?
mm,
So how would you handle this thing in mobile automation?
mm.
You can take your time to think.
Yes. I didn't use the
Mhm.
and sorry, I didn't face that scenario. But
Mhm.
for web, we have used driver.manage.window. Uh,
I'll tell you the solution for this. See, what you can do is again coming to the touch action class, which you were telling, right? What you can do is you can get the size of the device on which you want to run, right? You can get that
mm,
screen size because screen size is dynamic, right? So get that screen size and you can store it in the variables. Now, why we are taking integer as a data type here? Because those values will be coming in the form of numbers, right? So first is your x coordinates, y coordinates, integer start x, start y, and end y, right? These three things, height, width, and length you need to take, right? Then what you need to do is you need to work on this particular code, right? So weight options we already know we are moving, we are using it, and then moving to that particular screen size with respect to the x and y coordinates that you have received, and then you'll work on the automation part, right? So here what we are doing is you can tell you are using driver.manage.window.getSize to calculate the coordinates dynamically. You're avoiding hard coding. For example, for one device, you have screen size, right? So you have got width, height, those things.
mm,
So that is hard coding. But what if I want to run on five different devices? Are you getting my point?
yes,
Right?
yes,
Yeah. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is page object model?
yes, sir. Page
Mhm.
object model is a framework.
Mhm.
So
It's a design
we
pattern, right?
design pattern
Yeah, yeah. Why do we
uh,
need page object model?
because it's very uh, maintainable when come to test cases are in huge number.
Hmm.
Uh, Also, it is very reusable code. So using that design pattern, we can use uh, methods multiple times.
Hmm.
Also, um, if any changes,
Hmm.
frequent changes on UI related elements,
Hmm.
so using this page object design pattern, we can only change in one file only. So
Hmm.
we no need to change check all the files and need to update all the elements.
Correct. Correct.
Those that headache will be not there. So on in current market, everyone using the page object model design pattern. It will be helpful for automation testers for easier coding and
And
easier
for maintenance perspective.
maintenance.
Correct, correct, absolutely. Okay, now I'm sharing one link with you. I want you to find the locator for this particular search button. Can you open that link in the Chrome browser?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
My screen.
You need to share your screen. You need to click on share screen button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, can you find out the locator for this search box? Search in restaurants.
This one.
Find food.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Can you open it in Chrome browser? It will be helpful for you. Whenever
Okay.
you have to find out the locators, no, always open in Chrome browser. It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And
Yes.
you won't be allowed to use any kind of plugins or tools for this interview perspective. Yeah. So you can
Yes.
use Chrome browser.
These are the for search bar. We have ID, text,
Okay, you have ID. Can you find out the XPath for this?
experts. Shall I need to write or
Yeah, you can write it in that console and you can find out whether it is correct or not.
sir.
Yes, you're done.
Yes, sir.
So you have written input contains at the rate ID search. Okay, but are you getting this one of one where you have written it? Okay. What you can do is you can write it. You can press Control F there. Can you see that input ID?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Are you getting one of one? You are not getting, right?
Okay.
You need to get one of one there. As of now, it is showing 0 of 0, means it is not able to find out the element. Can you modify this locator?
Yes, sir. It's not showing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no worries, no worries. So what you can do is you can just take that slash slash input, remove contains, keep ID equal to search bar underscore ID. You can do it later, so that would help you with the solution, right? Okay, I'm
Yes.
stopping your screen sharing. Okay, Nandini, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
I today actually sit
You're looking for a
properly.
feedback?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'll share the feedback.